In this video, I will show you how to set up Apple CarPlay with your Porsche Macan Electric. Thanks to Apple CarPlay, you can enjoy selected iPhone content in your car and seamlessly integrate functions such as Siri voice control into the ecosystem of your Porsche. To get started, you need an iPhone with the latest iOS version. Make sure your car is parked and your phone's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are turned on. Let's set up Apple CarPlay now. On your PCM, go to Devices and press Connect New Device. Make sure you have your iPhone's Bluetooth menu open and ready to use. Select your phone in the PCM and press Pair on your phone. The phone will ask whether you wish to sync your iPhone's contacts and favorites with your Porsche. This imports and blends your phone's ecosystem with your Porsche, and I will press Allow. Now it asks me whether I wish to use Apple CarPlay. We need to confirm the pairing in the PCM by accepting the disclaimer. And that's it, we're good to go. This was the simplest method for setting up Apple CarPlay. Alternatively, you could set it up via cable, but the wireless method could be more convenient for you. You can open Apple CarPlay either via the home screen or via a sidebar shortcut. You now have quick access to the apps on your phone, but keep in mind that only apps supported by Apple CarPlay can be displayed. Let's talk about how to customize your Apple CarPlay. On your iPhone, open Settings, General, and then CarPlay. Now select your Porsche. Simply drag and drop your preferred apps in the order you'd like them to be displayed. I can put the Apple Maps at the top and it will be displayed first. In the PCM, I will type Porscheplatz 1 Stuttgart. The PCM will show you where to go. With Apple Maps in Apple CarPlay, I can also add charging stops to my route. With the Macan Electric, there's an even more convenient way to look at navigation, right here in the instrument cluster. With the rotary knob, you can switch the view to display the map. With Apple CarPlay activated, Apple Maps will show up. You could use another approved third-party navigation app and it would integrate with the instrument cluster as well. In the right tube, you will get all the turn-by-turn navigation information, so you don't need to look at the PCM to know where to go. The map can also be switched to the extended map view if you wish. In addition to navigation, the right tube can also display all kinds of media information, from radio to music currently playing with Apple CarPlay. While talking on the phone with someone, the caller information will pop up in the right tube. You can also display the call list in the tube by simply switching it via the control on the steering wheel. No need to use the PCM, everything is just right here. If Siri is active on your phone, you can start your voice control via the push to talk button on the steering wheel. Simply press and hold the button to activate Siri. If you only press briefly, you will activate the Porsche Voice Pilot. Should it happen that Apple CarPlay fails to connect automatically on startup, you can always reconnect manually by tapping the CarPlay icon in the device manager. It is possible to link your car with up to 2 phones at the same time, each of which can have Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. However, only one system can be enabled at any given time. You can select in the device manager which phone system will be active. As you can see, there are 2 connected phones in the list. Now I will connect to Apple CarPlay on the other phone. You can see that Apple CarPlay is only active for Björn's phone. However, if I want to hear music from my phone, I can switch on the Bluetooth connection. Both phones are linked. One provides Apple CarPlay, the other one music with Bluetooth. Now you know how to pair your iPhone with your Porsche and how to customize the available options. Have fun driving your Porsche and see you in the next video.